So far we have generated all these image. Check for the sequence first. This is the first image, this is the second image, and this is the third image, this is the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is the all 13 images we are going to animate using these 13 images. Now let's see what we got in our results. So video generator is a little bit different from the image generator, as we already know that video generator is very advanced to use. So we have to first understand how the video generator actually work. We have first understood image generator, how image generator work, but now at this time we are going to learn how to generate video by using Cdance 2.0. This is the latest model that has been introduced recently. We are going to use and create the video by all these generation that we have done. This is the first image. We are going to actually add a simple frame to frame edit videos. This is the end image, and for this one let's start by adding a shot here. We can add multiple shot in between if we want, and you can see the generation point here it is. So first let's understand how we can generate a video without using a frame. Let's use any model available here. So first I'm going to use any model. This is a random generation of the videos. How we can do that and where we can use, and different models have the different use. We have already talked about how the different models work, right? So we are going to actually use motion control 2.6 and Kling 2.6. We are going to use different type of video generation and work like that. So for a simple video generation, we are going to actually use a nominal video generation tool, that is Google VO 3.1 for this one, for the reference. And we are going to actually create, first we have to create a prompt to describe the image and the video. Then we will going to compare both the image that we got and the video, and after that we are going to animate that specific video. So first of all I am using a Claude here. Don't worry, you can use your Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, it's depend totally on you. Social media informational video for a single frame, not a single frame, for a, give me a prompt for social media informational video in which a man drink coffee and how it will react in its stomach and brain. Keep the video prompt very detailed. I want that the animation should be like a 3D character, like mannequin or wearing modern clothes. Then there is a transparent visual of its body, just like human body. So this is, I have given a prompt that give prompt for social media informational video in which a man drink coffee and how it react in its stomach and brain. Keep the video prompt very detailed. I want that the animation should be like a 3D character, like mannequin wearing a modern cloth, where then there is a transparent visual of its body, just like human body. Now let's enter it out and wait for the prompt. So it had just suggested me I can use Sora, Runway, Kling and Pika. We will going to do that. So this is a global style direction, a visual character. After that it will give me some scene also for 1 to 4 second, 4 to 10 second, and the journey begin, soloing, stomach reaction. So it has given me the visual direction for my video. Let's use this as a prompt. Let's copy this. But the aspect ratio, I have to change the aspect ratio. We will do that by, let's go to, it's now using 160p, and let's see if it's okay, it's working for this one also, and I want this one, and aspect ratio should be around this. And this is the 3D animated video. For this one, now I am going to copy the scene, the coffee moment. Now let's paste it. I'm going to generate two videos with different prompt. Let's see if it will work with the same character and animation or not. Got it? Now let's try to animate it. And if I want the audio for it or not, I want the audio. Let's try with 260 credits. This is the video that has been generated with that prompt. It's okay. It's totally okay. The visualization that I have in mind, it's completely working with this. But we have to understand, if we do not want this text here, then we have to check for the subtitle, because sometime, not sometime, but every time in informational videos, AI thought of the subtitle or the title for the better understanding of their viewers or students. So it must have added a subtitle that I forgot to remove. Then simply we have to find that out, and yes, as you can see, bold animated text paired in at the bottom. What happened when you drink coffee? So this is what happened when you drink coffee. That, so we have to remove this one. This is okay, but actually not able to see the face of our character. It just look like it's not opening the face at all. The glass is not coming towards the mouse, like it's not touching the lips at all. So it's not that consistent one. So we want a different type of video or animation, or we can ask for the another model to create for us. As far as I can understand, Google Veo 3.1 Lite will not work like we have thought of. So we have to take another route, rectify this problem. But don't worry, it is just an example to show you how we can create a video. Again, we are back to our main generation, where we are using the Seed Dance 2.0, not fast 2.0. This is the actual scene we wanted. Let's start by using start and end frame and see how it will fill our video. And what I love about Seed Dance is that it actually fill the frame between our images, and it work really well. Let's see how it will work. And right now and for that one I am using Claude. So this is what we want to generate by starting from, so this is the start frame, and this one is the end frame. And let's add a Claude, but also we have to add these both frame to our Claude, so that we can understand. It's up to you. If you want to use Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, it's totally fine. I want a cinematic movie scene type prompt for video generation, in which clear sky as a reference image turns into this drop of water. So here is the prompt. Let's copy it. And now once you paste it here, you simply have to read it out first, so that you will understand that the AI actually understand what we are trying to portray in front of it, right? So let's read the prompt first. A cinematic timeline begin with an open sun, blue sky filled with scatter with cloud drifting. You can read it out it fast and understand. Pure, vast, and peaceful, and the camera slowly tilts up at the smooth phase shift. The cloud begins swirling inward, converging into majestic rotating vortex lit from within the electric sand, and bioluminescent blue light, the spiral tighten into a singular glowing funnel from the heaven. So we have to actually add first and last frame. So I simply drag first and last frame here. That's all, and it's uploading. Don't worry, it will upload in some time, and if not, we will have to upload it again. So for this one, let's start with the motion against the twilight. So we have to add the image, the start image and the end image. The timeline is getting different pathway peacefully slowly upward, south different beyond toward into a majestic vortex. So before it, we have to as in reference in start image. Now for this one, for and image, the camera slowly tilts. So I have added. You have to understand the prompt, you have to decide it where you want to put this thing. And if you have not put it and simply start generating, it will automatically adjust it your prompt and your both images or frames and start creating a video out of it. But for now, right now, let's start with the 4 second. With this one, let's start with the 480, and we can upscale it later on. But right now, let's start with the 720. Don't worry about the credits, and let's do it. Right now I am using the credit, so you don't have to. You simply have to learn it, and you have to create a awesome video out of it. You can actually copy it. If not, you can create your own, and I would love to see that. I'm little bit nervous because this is our first generation and I don't know what it will generate for us. Let's play this out. I honestly don't like this at all. Let's start by typing ourselves. So we are not using prompt here. So we are not using this type of prompt. We are using simple prompt in which start from clear sky to dynamic sky, in which shot 2 will be a close up of the drop making in the clouds, and the shot 3, the aim and image will appear like this. So we have to, and pen will appear with the raindrop in it. After that, I want fourth frame in which the raindrop drops out, drops towards the earth. Let's see what we get here. We have to wait for at least for 3 to 5 minutes, and we got the generation. If we not get the result, then we have to change our strategy. I will show you the entire workflow, how we can achieve a cinematic best result. So the video has been generated, and let's see what we get here. Just a simple transition, right? I don't like this transition to be happen. Let's see. Let's remove this first frame, and I want this as a end frame. Got it? And now let's try to use a different model where we got a best result for our video. And with this one, let's add the image here as from clear sky to vortex of clouds, rain drop towards earth, and we are using 5 seconds of frame here, and let's generate it. And right now we are using Kling 3.0.